morning, good morning. It is day 4 and we're in Costa Maya. You and I are gonna go have some breakfast. Well, I have to tell you that breakfast was amazing. It was a little too much. It was just a lot too much. Oh, I am poolside. I'm actually at the infinity pool, which is where I spent most of the day yesterday and going to spend most of the day today in. So it is wonderful. Nice. Feels so good out here. It's nice and relaxing. Beautiful, beautiful water. It's nice and cool. We are near our favorite chocolate shop. So we're going to go get a chocolate and adult beverage and enjoy it in the quiet. Well, we're here. We made it. Well, good evening. How are you? Say hello. Hi.
Please put your hands together. Make some noise for the one, the only Mr. Des White.
All right, this is the outfit for today. And I'm going to wear these shoes. Well, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is day 4 and we're in Costa Maya. And so it's early. They're about to probably start letting people off the ship. However, you and I are gonna go have some breakfast. Hopefully it'll be nice and quiet in another few hours so that we can fully explore the ship. Everyone hopefully will be off of the ship. We can do some sunbathing and just explore the ship. This is the first time I've been on this ship, so I want to explore some more. Join me. Good morning. A chocolate au bonbon, please. Yes, please. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Well, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. We made it. I know I've said good morning already, but I'm saying it again. We're in the restaurant and it is not crowded one bit. I think that everyone is preparing to get off of the ship, which leaves more space and time for us to do all of the good things that we want to do. Right now, I'm going to enjoy some coffee and some good breakfast. Well, I have to tell you that breakfast was amazing. You didn't hear from me or see me a lot because there was a person who was sitting next to me, and oh my goodness, you know, I know that I'm in a public place. I won't say much, but it was a little too much. It was just a lot too much. But anyway, I did enjoy my breakfast. It was great, great, great. So I'm about to go and sit in one of the lounge areas and have some more coffee. Relaxing, quiet cup of cappuccino. Join me. Poolside. I'm actually at the infinity pool, which is where I spent most of the day yesterday and going to spend most of the day today in. So it is wonderful. We are, everyone, it's really a light crowd because everyone has gone on shore into Costa Maya. So it's nice and quiet and plenty of space for me to relax and do my own thing. Our neighboring ship here is the Carnival Jubilee.
Remember, my friend, that God is
All right, we are near our favorite chocolate shop. So we're gonna go get a chocolate and adult beverage and enjoy it in the quiet. What would you like? The regular drinks, coffee delights. Look at the hot chocolate options. Cocktails. This is what we want. Well, we are here in the Vincini chocolate area, and what you're hearing in the background is they're doing some type of dance lesson. Yay! So I just ordered a Vincini, which is a chocolate martini beverage. That's for you, British. You can't really see it much out of this window, but we do have some water view here, and it's fabulous, and I'll take it. Yay! I have had such an amazing day. It is midday now. I went down to the marketplace, snacked just a little, but what it did was really, really heighten my desire to have a chocolate martini. So here we are. And this is my favorite area of the ship. It always is. Even on the Meraviglia, this is the area in the Meraviglia. That's my favorite area. So of course I think I would gravitate to this area on this ship. This chocolate shop is a little different. Day 4. Oh, it's pushing. It's pushing. It's going by so quickly. But I'm so grateful. I had a wonderful time poolside. And I just want you to know that whenever you're ready, you can do this solo. The good news is you can have people chat you up if you like, or you can stay alone and just be in your own peace and joy like I have been. I did meet a couple, really nice couples, poolside today because we all had something in common, and that was us staying on the ship while others went ashore into Costa Maya. So I am so content, and I'm just gonna enjoy this martini. Oh, here it comes. Thank you very much.
I give you extra chocolate for you.
Oh, wonderful.
This is your coffee.
Thank
your
you.
coffee.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Oh my goodness. So I've got to let you see it. See this. You got to see this. Look at this. It looks so good. Oh, absolute perfection. Absolutely perfect. And we got a couple extra pieces of chocolate just because we're fabulous and solo on our cruise. Well, friends, it's white night and let's go to dinner. Well, we're here. We made it. So this is the 4th time that I've been fortunate enough to be seated at the 5 o'clock dinner seating. At this point, I know the drill, and they definitely know me, and they know that I'm going to be standing right outside this dining room door promptly at 5, because here's what happens. Normally, the restaurants where there's seated time seating, they close it off within a 15-minute time period. So the 5 o'clock dinner seating, if you have a 5 o'clock dinner seating, you are expected to be in the dining room no later than 5:15. That's the case at least for this restaurant, this ship, and most of the ships that I've been on. Well, the other ship, I've been on the Meraviglia 3 times. So at 5:15, they then take an assessment of who is waiting in line to be seated in that early seating. So typically it works out just fine. Not every night. People choose not to eat in the assigned restaurant every night. And so more than likely, 99.9% of the time, there is a table available. And certainly for a solo cruiser, like me. There's a table available. Well, good evening. How are you? Say hello. Hi. Everyone is just so fabulously kind here. And because this has been my table for the last 4 nights, I think I sat at the table behind me last night and the table in front of me the couple nights before. Either way, I'm in the same area right along the window because I love this view. Let me show you. Out the window. And tonight, you'll see the pier because we're still in Costa Maya. It is 5:20 right now, and we are scheduled to depart Costa Maya at 6 p.m. And so all is well. I'm gonna bring you along with me for dinner. Friends, you may recall from last night that I actually purchased a bottle of wine, and so they have that wine sitting here next to my table. So of course I didn't consume the whole bottle. No, I did not. And so the way it works, when you purchase a bottle of wine, they keep it for you for future dinners. So let me just say, cheers to you, my traveling friends, and my soon-to-be traveling friends. Cheers. Well, friends, my appetizer has arrived and it looks awesome. I'm gonna let you taste it. Oh, it looks wonderful. Oh, you see that? And it's got the sauce on it. First bite. Oh. Delicious. Oh, just as good as it was on the other ship. This is my favorite appetizer. This and the Caesar salad. My faves. Oh my goodness, dinner has arrived and it looks absolutely amazing. Yes, 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 you must try it. You have to. You absolutely have to. It's just so tender. It's falling off the bone. Look at that. Oh, oh, first bite. It's delicious. Oh. Oh my God. It's so good. It's so good. Well, looks like I've mustered up enough energy to catch this comedy show. So join me.
Good night to everybody here in the Core Theatre. Hello! Please put your hands together. Make some noise for the one, the only Mr. Des White.
Escape, how we doing? You have some leftover food that you didn't put in the container yourself. You didn't put it at the bottom of the refrigerator and pushed it all the way to the back. Because you don't want nobody to see it, nobody to mess with it. And then you get home to realize they done ate your food up. Let me tell you something. That was the last straw right there. And I told her, I said, look, Mama, you got to find somewhere else to live. I ain't the only son you had. Hey man, my name is Des White. God has been great. Thank you. Wow.
Oh, Des White was great. It was great. Listen, I've had a long day. I was out in the sun. It has made me want to just get in the bed. I'm calling it. Have a good night. I'll see you tomorrow.